Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my channel, click the like, comment, subscribe. It's free, and click on the bell notification button so that you can get notified anytime I post a new video. You can also share a video with your friends.
When next you are in Enugu State, make out time to visit the popular Awhum Waterfall, one of the most tourist attractions in the state. And if you're in love with the nature, then this is definitely much visit. Awhum Waterfall is situated at Amangu village of Awhum town in Udi Local Government Area. The waterfall is as a result of massive outcrop of granite rock with water cascading over top, forming a stream. Located close to Awhum Monastery, a section of the fall which is about 30 meters high is swum through the season. The water is said to be creative, have healing powers and capable of dispelling evil forces if and wherever it is sprinkled. It takes about 45 minutes walk from the parking spot to the fall. The site is particularly good for religious tourism. The community itself also boasts of numerous pristine lakes, some of them with beautiful white and beaches. The numerous streams and lakes are still maintained in their natural condition. More than 50 different species of fishes are found in the stream and lakes of the community, and some of the lakes have never been fished on before. Happy watching.